Okay, so it's recording right now. Hey, today my friend will be talking with us over the phone, my new flip phone. And yeah, today we will be doing Amazon birds. So yeah, they're very like green and colorful.
Going to the Amazon in Brazil, so.
Oh yeah, Leah to the rescue or something? Okay, I'm gonna see if I could put you by like the speaker thing so it can pick up your voice. And I will just say what she's saying just in case to you guys. So, first bird on the list is, as you can see I'm wearing my tiger ears. Soup's cute.
Kyle,
What?
well, the Amazon bird is in Brazil, I think, and I mean like it's on I think it's on Leah Clark's new movie, The American Girl, American Girl.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and they're having like a something like last year Grace Thomas, they had a bake sale for Grace Thomas. This year they're doing help the animals in the Amazon or something like that.
Really? Cool. Okay, so
It's cool.
let's see. She's talking about American Girl, if you can't hear her. Last year was Grace Thomas. They did a bake sale. This one's all about saving the animals in Brazil. Okay. So, the first bird that's on the list is Merlin. Merlin. He is, you could adopt him in Woodruff, South Carolina. And he is a female and an adult. Okay, next bird, Tink, like Tinkerbell. It is Asheville, North Carolina, male. Max.
It's like a South Carolina day, right?
What?
Seems like today's like a South Carolina day.
Yeah, I guess so. Okay. Bird. Next bird is Max. By the way, my friend said it's kind of a South Carolina day. Okay, so the next bird is Max. Asheville, North Carolina, male. I think I've been there. Third bird, or like fourth, I don't know. Chico. Asheville, North Carolina, male. Oh, wow. Roscoe, Roscoe, is Asheville, North Carolina, male. Next bird is, oh, you seriously kidding me? That's all the birds, all the Amazon birds, and they're pretty much all green. Okay, it's just disappointing. Although this lighting's really good to apply lip gloss. That's what I'm doing right now. I just love to apply it for some reason. You know how like on TV, their lips look so shiny? All I need is like some clear lip gloss or lip implantation that's clear and glossy, and a flashlight. Seriously, this is what I'm using right now, a flashlight. And it just like makes my lips look like a TV star. Oh, glacé. I'm not that much about makeup, even though I have a makeup channel, of course. It's just all my videos are apparently too long, so I can upload them. Oh wow, so.
So, is it about a bird knowing how to use a flashlight?
Yeah, I guess. So this is the end of the video. Like it and subscribe to my channel, please. Yeah, that's right. I'm polite. I'm modest. Just got back from karate, ATA. And the lip implantation I'm using is a Sally Hansen lip implantation. And the flashlight I got from like Target. I don't know, like the brand. I threw away the tag without reading it. It was like kind of dark that night and I wanted to test out a new flashlight. It works really well. So yeah, bye. Couch 2? I don't know, I'm just making up words. Peace out.